Ben, this time-traveling machine is an incredible tool. We have the power to go anywhere in time, but we must think carefully about how we use it.
Absolutely, Alex. Time travel is a responsibility that shouldn't be taken lightly. We have to consider the potential consequences and choose our actions wisely.
I agree. We could use this technology for personal gain or alter historical events, but that could have severe repercussions on the timeline.
Our priority should be knowledge and understanding. We can learn from the past, observe historical moments, and gain insights into the future without disrupting the natural flow of time.
That's true. We could witness great scientific discoveries, meet influential figures, or even explore the wonders of ancient civilizations. But we mustn't disrupt the course of history.
Perhaps we should create guidelines for ourselves, a set of ethical rules when it comes to time travel. It will help us navigate this incredible power responsibly.
I like that idea, Ben. Let's establish some principles. First, we'll strictly observe and document. No interfering with events or tampering with the past.
Exactly. We'll be mere observers, respecting the integrity of time and its impact on the world. Second, we'll prioritize learning and sharing knowledge with the utmost integrity.
And third, we'll minimize our impact on the timeline. We won't leave any trace of our presence, ensuring that history continues its natural course undisturbed.
With these principles in place, we can make the most of this incredible opportunity while maintaining the ethical responsibility that comes with it.
I'm glad we're on the same page, Ben. Let's embark on this journey of exploration and discovery, armed with our commitment to the integrity of time.
Together, we'll unlock the secrets of the past and glimpse the possibilities of the future. Our actions will be driven by curiosity and respect for the fabric of time.
It's time to chart our course and decide on our first destination. With our principles as our guide, we'll make history while preserving history.